Okay, guys, so me and my mom.
Hey, we are poo.
You guys, look how good this quality is. This is 4K.
Videos are good, but I know there's haters out there, and if the haters like comment on his videos, I'm gonna have to rank them up.
Dab on the haters, do it.
Yeah, I'll dab on them. Bam, bam.
Oh, ooh, kill him. Ooh, ooh. What do you have to say to my haters?
You need to back off of Connor, and if you keep having bad comics, if you don't subscribe to him.
I'm so sorry. Can you start over?
Okay, if you don't subscribe to Connor and you're being a hater, then I'm gonna have to dab on you more.
Oh. Anything else you have to say?
Go subscribe to Dan TDM.
Excuse me?
Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. I don't need no money.
He has like millions of subscribers.
Yeah, but I love his videos.
Wow, you're definitely a hater.
I like his videos too, and your videos.
I cannot believe my own brother just promo someone else's channel. Like, that is messed up. 18 million subscribers. I have 400 something.
Maybe he'll shout you out.
Yeah, right. If Dan TDM is watching, what do you have to say to him?
Dan TDM, I have your book, and you're my favorite.
It's so, oh my god, it's so true. He does all those gaming videos, right?
Yeah,
I've seen some of them.
What if Dan TDM like has this video? He uploads a new video, and he's like, shout out to Corin, because he's.
We're on our way to have lunch with my grandparents.
Fish and chips. Sure.
It should be over here. We got lost for a hot second and we found it. Right up there on the little hill. We're here waiting for my grandparents. We don't know. We'll take a commercial break. Hello. I'm bougie.
What am I doing right now?
Hi.
Hey.
I'm bougie.
Hey.
I'm bougie. I'm bougie. Where do you go? Hold, what are you doing? I guess you walk in here?
I guess.
Entrance. Oh, it's right over here. We walked into the wrong door. I'm so lost. Enter. Right here.
Exit.
I walked in the. Look at that. That is so freaking good. Okay, so we just got back from eating lunch. It was delicious. I love coming to my grandparents' house. I seriously grew up at this place like when I was little. I almost died here too, so turn up. I guess that's it for this video. I don't know what the title's gonna be. Probably just call it vlog. Look at these crazy dogs. You wanna be in my video? Oh. I'm just asking. Alrighty then. I'm gonna leave. Stop. This is great footage. Great vlog footage. Is that a bird? Oh my god, it is! Oh my god. I'm freaking out now because I almost stepped on the bird. A dead bird. Holy shibbles. I cannot believe that is a dead bird. Oh! I was literally walking this way. Oh my god. If I stepped on that, I could just like feel it, like I could just already feel it, like stepping on it, like the feeling. Oh my god, I cannot believe I just found a dead bird. The best thing about vlogging, you find crazy stuff and that ends up being the title. Thank you, dead bird. Rest in peace, Peter. My bird Peter died. Oh. I'm so shocked right now. Oh my god, that's insane.
Well, what do you want me to do? Just put him in the trash?
Let's bury it. Oh, Peter. That's it for this video. If you guys liked it, thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos because I post videos every Saturday and Sunday. And comment down below on what other videos you guys want to see. And I'm going to go now, so peace out.